काकदृष्टिः अहं सुभाषितं वदामि भवन्तः अनुवदन्तु. I'm going to say the words. You can repeat after me. काकदृष्टिः बकध्यानं बकध्यानं श्वाननिद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारं जीर्णवस्त्रं पञ्चैते छात्रलक्षणम्. Now I'll say the Subhashitam padashah, one quarter at a time. Kakadrushtihi bakadhyanam svananidra tathaiva cha alpaharam jirnavastram अल्पाहारं जीर्णवस्त्रं पञ्चैते छात्रलक्षणं. छात्रलक्षणं छात्रः इत्युक्ते कः अर्थः? विद्यार्थी, स्टूडेंट. छात्रः मीन्स् स्टूडेंट. छात्रलक्षणं. What are the characteristics, qualities of a student? Chatra Lakshanam ki. Kakadrushtihi. Drushtihi. Drushtihi means sight. How you see. Kakadrushtihi. Kakadrushtihi. The sight should be like a crow. Like a crow, kakaha. Why your sight should be like a kakaha? I will see. The crow is flying all the time. It can notice even a small, like a grain or rice piece you drop on the floor. The kaka, which is up in the sky, can see it from that much distance. Kakaha bahu sukshmam pashyati. It has an excellent sight and keen observation. So, a good characteristic of a good student is kakadrushti. Sight as precise, as deep as a crow. Kakaha. Kakadrushtihi bakadhyanam. Bakadhyanam. Bakaha. So what is bakaha? Crane is the word. Crane. Have you seen a crane catching a fish? Fish, it is extremely difficult to catch a fish in water. Right? We know that, right? So it's very difficult. Water, fish is always flowing in water, very difficult to catch. But have you observed a crane catches the fish? How it does it? Bakaha ativa shraddhaya meenam grubnati. It has an extreme patience, lot of patience and keen observation, and then slowly, keenly observe and then catches the fish. So dhyanam is to be focused. To be focused and almost like meditating. Focus, attention. So a crane pays attention, highly focused. It is so attentive, so focused that it can catch a fish moving in water, which is extremely difficult. So a good student will have, should have, shall have, must have, ought to have Bakadhyanam, the focus and attention like a train. Shvana Nidra. Shvana Nidra. Shvanaha. Shvanaha ityukto kaha artha? Sunakaha, dog. I have seen, those who have the dogs as pets, you know that even when they are sleeping, they are attentive. They are attentive even when they are sleeping. So if there is some noise, some disturbance, they wake up right away. So a good student's characteristic is that you sleep, but when there is a task to do or there is something, you remember, you wake up and, you do your, for example, you're solving a problem or, you are doing some research project or you're working on something as a student. Or you're thinking about it while going to sleep. And suddenly you get an idea, oh, I get that. You wake up, oh. So the idea is that Svana Nidra, meaning you should be light sleeper, not too sleepy, sleeping for too long. Because you're an active student, you sleep enough, adequate sleep, but not too much. Appropriate. Shunakaha lagu shabdena api nidrataha jagaritaha bhavati. Just like a dog, even while sleeping, even a little noise, it quickly wakes up and then is very attentive. That's tadaiva cha, like that. Alpaharam. Alpaharam. Aharaha. So how much one should eat? A good student who is active will not overeat. You should not undereat. You should not eat too much. You should not eat too little. Appropriate. What is? Why? If you eat too much, then you are lazy, sleepy, or you cannot be active. You cannot be a good student. You cannot pay attention. So, alpaharam, aharaha. You take adequate food. Appropriate. Not too much, not too little. Jirna vastram. Vastram jirna. Jirna vastram means the dress, the attire you wear, you don't care about it. It may not be great. It may not be fashionable. It may be even old and torn, or it has some things that you may not. Because bottom line is you don't care what you wear. You don't care what you wear. Because you're a good student, your attention is not on your dress. Your attention is in studying. So you're a Sanskritam student. So when you're studying Sanskritam, your attention focus is entirely on Sanskritam, not on your dress or the dress of the teacher. They are not important. So Jirna Vastram. Jirna Vastram literally it means a torn, right? And not the dress which is not in a good condition is Jirna Vastram. That is okay, you don't care. Because you're a good student, your focus is on studying. Panchayate. Panchayate is actually two words. Panchayate. There are two words. When you combine them, it becomes Panchayate. Chhatra Lakshanam. So the characteristics of a good student, there are 5 characteristics. Saka Drushtihi. An excellent sight. Deep and precise sight, ability to see like a crow, Kakadrushti, crow, Bakadhyanam, attention and focus like a crane while it catches fish, Bakadhyanam, Shvana Nidra, light sleep like a dog, Alpaharam, light food Light, appropriate food, not more, not less. Jeerna vastram, dress in whatever condition, even not in a great condition. Pancha ete, these 5 are the characteristics of a good student. This is the thing. अस्तु पुनः एकवारम् अहं श्लोकं वदामि भवन्तः अनुवदन्तु I want one of you to repeat after me. Who wants to repeat after me? Harini, you want to repeat after me? Kakadrushtihi.
Kakadrushtihi.
Bakadhyanam.
Bakadhyanam.
Swananidra.
Swananidra.
Tathaiva cha.
Tathaiva cha.
Alpaharam.
Alpaharam.
Jeernavastram.
Jeernavastram.
Panchaite.
Panchaite.
Chhatralakshanam.
Chhatralakshanam.
पुनः वदामि वदन्तु हरिणी रिपीट आफ्टर मी अगेन काकदृष्टिः बकध्यानम्
काकदृष्टिः बकध्यानम्
श्वाननिद्रा तथैव च
श्वाननिद्रा तथैव च
अल्पाहारं जीर्णवस्त्रम्
अल्पाहारं जीर्णवस्त्रम्
पञ्चैते छात्रलक्षणम्
पञ्चैते छात्रलक्षणम्
अत्युत्तमम्. So this recording will be provided to you. Watch this video again and again. Learn the chanting of the Subhashitam. Understand the meaning. So now you know how to be a good student, right? So you pay attention, focus in the class what the teacher is saying, and learn and pay focus, attention, and have a good sight of seeing everything, right?